Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So before I get started, a little bit of news here. A friend of mine and myself, you've seen him on here several times, playing with me, and you'll see him. You'll hear him a little bit in this video. But we have started another YouTube channel together, just all about for Need for Speed here, so we can go live and show live recordings and stuff like that. And I'll put the link to that channel in the description. But I will still be uploading on this channel regularly. So with that out of the way, this video is a few races, a couple, where we raced the lobby last night and had some fun with it. So there's a couple races there, I think, and so I thought it'd be interesting to just bring that out here anyway, because I do a lot of PvP drag racing videos, you know, where I race other players, but this time we're racing them on a tracks. I forget which tracks we were racing on. So, and I think there's one where I'm racing with this car, just me and him, on one of the tracks, and he has a different motor than I've got. We're trying to compare the motors and all that. A lot of that's going to be on the new channel, in a live format, but what's the plan anyway? That is our plan. We'll see how that works out, but yeah, so I just wanted to get in here and give a little intro for the video that's coming up that you're about to see. It's just a couple of races with other players, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like. If you do not, then dislike it, and it works the same. Engagements are engagements. And until next time, have a blessed day. Alright, so we're going to test these same cars, different motors.
Well, I'm gonna let the whole Dem Boys channel sink or swim on their own without me.
Right?
Shit. My bad. I didn't mean to hit you.
Yeah.
I swerved off the track and came back on just in time to catch the front of your car.
It's alright.
And I ran off the road any fucking way and let you pass me.
You gotta watch that curve. That's why I said it's alright, because you gotta watch that curve.
That's alright, don't worry about it, because you wasn't catching me before that, so chances are I'll run you down. Or I won't, because I just flipped, spun my car around the other way. Oh shit, you got hit 6 ways. Oh shit, god damn, son of a bitch.
Well, we'll test them on other tracks too.
Yeah, we sure will. Doesn't help none, I've been drinking all fucking day.
There is that. But yours does take off a lot faster, so yours might be the better option.
Yeah, but I can't control this little motherfucker.
We may have to come back to this when you're a little more,
Oh no, we can keep running, it's okay. It's still gonna be squarely when I'm sober.
It is, ain't it?
It sure is, cause I'm all over the fucking road right now. God damn, Bobby, son of a bitch. I just want the record to show until I wrecked on that one part. You wasn't catching me. I done took off and left you.
Yeah, you had a good lead on me.
I had a hell of a lead on you.
I know.
I was about a half mile ahead of you. And then I wrecked and it was all over from there. I forgot to do 2 things before I brought this car out the garage.
What's that?
Put my auxiliary stuff on here.
Oh, the repair and stuff?
Yep, my repair, the damage reduction. Passed the finish line at 236.
I don't know what I passed that.
Oh, this rookie.
I see a Lamborghini over there.
And there's another Porsche.
Same one?
Nah, he's running a different one this time.
Same guy?
I think so. Yeah, same guy, different Porsche. He's burning all his nitrous and can barely take off past me.
Is he the one right behind me?
Yep. And I just passed him up. Don't bump my car, bro. He's got 3 different Porsches at least.
And why he would need that many, I have no idea.
If you can't beat me, you definitely not gonna be my partner. One of them didn't know the secret. And the one of them knew the secret. We did though.
Yep.
Don't finish in first place, Jimmy. I'm right behind you. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm watching you. As long as one of us win, we're alright.
Good. Oh shit, I went off road. My bad.
You were doing good too. You didn't really wreck yet.
I ain't wrecked at all yet.
We were off the road just now, but
Well, yeah, minus that part. You know.
whoa, I almost got squirrely there.
I almost did too. Took out some trees. Does that count?
How far behind you are they?
They're a good distance behind me. He was almost 1,200 yards behind me. And I'm running through trees, barriers, and everything.
He still ain't caught you yet.
Not yet, he ain't, but he's getting there. He's less than 500.
Better use that bottle.
Oh, he ain't catching me. He's almost 600 yards behind me. He ain't catching me. Oh, he's more than 900 yards behind me. He ain't catching me. This race over for him. He should have kept the gold Porsche. He'd had a better chance. I got this Porsche set up to where I ain't got to brake too much.
I don't either. I only do on sharp turns, like the 90 degrees. I'll tap the regular brake and then drift.
Well, this time I went off-road all the way to the goddamn stadium. He still ain't caught me. You should have kept the gold Porsche.
Running off the road really hurt him, didn't it?
I done hit the building and everything. Oh, he's catching up now, though. Hold on. Let me stop talking shit. I thought he was. Never mind. He ain't catching me. Sorry, little fella. got further and further behind.
He ain't catching me.
He damn sure ain't about to catch me. Ah, yeah, I'm climbing the distance. I'm climbing the distance. I can go the distance. Oh, him no